Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. So today I'm going to be doing something really exciting. I am going to see how fast I can blow dry and style my hair using the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I know my last video was using this, and it was my very first time using it, but I wanted to make another video just because the last time I was kind of like talking and really like getting used to using it and everything. So this time I wanted to show you guys how long it could really take me to dry my hair. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I show you guys the exact start and end time, and the results are crazy. Like, even I'm shocked. Also give you like the pros and cons, like if you're considering buying it, and just some tips for when you're using it. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. So if you want to see how fast I can dry my hair, keep watching. Alright, so I'm just gonna get started right away. If you want to see how I shampoo and condition my hair, I'm going to link my video here or in the description below. Check that out. Everything is the same. The only difference is the only product I used today was this is a Beauty and Pinups blowout primer. I wanted to use something lightweight, nothing that had any grease. There's nothing really much to say. I kind of just want to get into it and dry my hair. I'm going to speed it up for you guys, obviously, but I want to show you guys what time it is right now. So right now you can see it's... Oops. So right now you can see it is 9:40. So let's start. Okay, so I am all done. I need to fix my part a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what time it was when I finished. So it is, so we started at 9:40 and it is now 9:55. Can you guys see? So it took me exactly 15 minutes to dry my hair. 15 minutes, which is crazy because even just drying my hair just with the blow dryer and just kind of drying it like this, I can't even do that in 15 minutes. Crazy. So now I'm just gonna kind of break everything down, just run through everything a little bit with you guys, and just give you maybe some tips or just some, I guess, pros and cons if you're considering purchasing this. My number one tip is use this on like damp to almost dry hair. In my last video, my hair was pretty much in between damp and wet, you know, because it was still kind of dripping. Today my hair was pretty much dry in my roots and like slightly damp on my ends. It'll just make it so much easier because then you're not really, you're drying a little bit, but you're more styling and smoothing out than drying. So yeah, that's my number one tip. Use on like almost damp to dry hair. Just remember to use heat protectant, things like that. Don't use anything greasy, and that's really with any tool you use because it's going to kind of weigh your style down and you're not really going to get like that volume or like those flips in your ends. See, my hair gives such a nice flip to my ends. I guess let's talk about now the pros and cons. I guess the cons would be since it is so big, it is very hard to really get in these little like stray pieces in here. Especially if you have like super curly hair, it would be very hard. Like if you have those little curly pieces here, it would be a little hard to smooth it out just because you don't want to you know, burn your face. So that would be my only, it's not really a con, but it's this, if you want to get like a super smooth style, it would be a little bit hard to do this just because it's so big. I guess my only other con would be that it doesn't like really straighten out my roots, and I really don't know why. Like I really try to go at my roots and really try to smooth them out, but it just does not smooth them out. It leaves them a little bit poofy. I have to use a flat iron after just on my roots just so I make sure that they stay down. But the thing I will say is, and definitely check out my other video if you haven't already, my ends were poofy, like you could feel the waviness kind of texture, but they did not frizz up. And usually like when I just blow dry my hair just with blow dryer and round brush, whatever, my ends stay nice, but my roots usually frizz up. And even if I'm like just doing something and I start sweating, my roots will be like this. My roots did not frizz up. So I would say you do need a flat iron just to kind of, just because I like more sleek look on top. Like for me, I don't really care for volume on top. I like it more sleek. So that would be a con. I mean, if you're looking for something to get like a super smooth straight style, this really wouldn't be it. You would have to flat iron after. But with saying that, let me talk about the pros. You see, it took me 15 minutes to dry my hair. Never, ever, 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 ever does it ever take me 15 minutes to do anything to my hair. So the fact that it took me exactly 15 minutes to dry my hair, I mean, like, that's amazing. I want to show you guys my ends. Like, it leaves my ends so beautiful. I love that flip. Like I said, you can see like my roots still stay a little poofy. Number one pro would be just it makes drying your hair faster. And even though I said this was a con, it's also a pro that it's so big because I take big sections at a time, and you know, it'll save me a lot of time as opposed to if it was a little smaller, I have to take smaller sections. It's a pro and a con that it's big. It's a pro because it's big and I can take bigger sections, but it's a con because it would be hard if you have like super curly pieces that you would really want to smooth out. All in all, I love this brush. I mean, this is literally my second time using it. The first time I used it was last week, and this is my second time now. But I love it. The fact that I'm able to dry and slightly smooth out my hair more easier, I love it. I love that I don't have to use the flat iron as much, so I can have less damage to my hair. I really just have to kind of flat iron the roots, and not even really the roots. I just take this section in front here and I just flat iron. Maybe like I'll take a piece from back here and I'll flat iron. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.